Hi guys, today we are going to see how to convert a Python script into a exe file so you can give it to your friends, whatever script you have written. Okay, so as you can see, we have a script ready. This is a simple AI model. You can see, just run current script.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
You can see the AI is telling first one, then 7. Then so as you can see, it was a deuce. Okay, so basically we have made this AI model and we want to convert it into an exe file and give it to our friends who are using Windows. Okay, so first of all, we have a what you need is a Python script. So we have that ready. It is a run.py. This is the script name. So now we are going to open a terminal. You can open any terminal. I am going to use partial. Now what we are going to do, we are installing a simple Python package which is called PyInstaller. It is a must if you want to convert a Python script into a exe file. So what you're going to do, pip install PyInstaller. As soon as you do that, now you can see that clearly. You can see it is collecting all the packages from the WHL files which are needed. It's installing. So I'm going to show you two ways how you can do it. The first way, you create the exe file, and then what happens is that there's a folder and there's the exe file. Okay, so I'm going to show you that way, and another way in which I'm going to show you only the only how you're going to convert it into one file. So one is with a folder and other files, and another is a only one file. Okay, excuse me. So we have installed our first requirement, step 1 completed. Now what we are going to do, so as you can see, there is this file, this Python script which we are going to convert into an exe file. So what we have to do, we have to give one command which is PyInstaller, and that's just give the, and just press tab, it will automatically, no, that one. It is actually not in the current directory, so first we have to go, first we will just clear it up and exit it, and we are going to open a partial window here. So to open that, you have to just click shift plus right click, and there is this option here, and now we are going to do our requirements. So now we are going to do py, this is this command, $1, and now just press enter, and now it is building the requirements which is needed to convert this Python script file into a exe file. So this was the first method, okay, in which it is converting it with a bunch of files will be there. I'm going to show you one. Okay, so it's completed successfully. As you can see, files have been added here. So this dist folder, under this dist folder you can see there is this run folder, and there is this many files, and this one is our application. So what we are going to do, we are going to open a window here, and we are going to run our program. So now we are going to run this exe file, not a Python script. Okay, so just type it run.exe. okay, so any move, and then 7, then 9, then 4, then 2. It was a deuce again. So as you can see, we have just ran our exe file here. So here's our application. Now if you want to only get this one application, not this many folders to be here, and you want just a run application. So there's another way to do it. Just go onto your terminal, which is here, and just write this command --1 file, and just write the file name, which is run.txt, run.py. As soon as you do that, it is building the requirements, and it is built. So when we go there, there is this run application has been created here. Okay, so this run application is an individual. So here you can see it is taking all these files to run, but now as you can see, there is in this file there is one application. So if we run that, you can see it is running here. Okay, so we are going to cancel that. So what we first did, we first converted this Python script into an exe file with a bunch of another files to support it. And in the second method, what we did is we gave this command, and what it did was it converted it, just removed all the files that we don't need and just gave this one file that we need. Okay, this is a folder with bunch of files, and the another one was this, the only application, the only exe file we need. If you go to its property, you can clearly see it's an exe file. Okay, so yeah, I hope you this video was helpful. I think it's so yeah, please like and subscribe this video. Bye.